They say in the parishes along the Black River, there is something worse than drowning. It is what comes back after. The flood of 1954 took the whole of Barton's Bend in one night. 14 souls, gone before morning. When the waters pulled back, the families returned to find their kitchens untouched, their washing still hanging, their cookpots still warm. And standing among them, quiet as smoke, were the drowned. Not ghosts, not spirits, just their people, moving through the house, doing what they always did, cooking, sweeping, sitting in their chairs, never sleeping, never eating, never once looking at the living. A woman named Iris saw her husband Calvin standing at the window every morning. Same place, same stillness. She could not leave him. She could not reach him, so she stayed. And here is what the old people say. The drowned do not pull you under with their hands. They do it with love, with memory, with the unbearable ordinary. Iris never left that house. By December, nobody could tell which one of them had drowned.